Lian Li just pulled the wraps off its brand new case lineup at Computex 2026. And if you're planning a new PC build, there are some seriously interesting options on the way. Let's start with the new Lancool series. First up is the Lancool 207 XL. This case is all about practicality, airflow, and hardware compatibility. Despite being a mid-tower design, it supports ATX motherboards, 360mm radiators, and standard ATX power supplies. What really stands out here is the pair of cross-flow fans mounted at the bottom of the case, specifically designed to push more fresh air directly toward your graphics card without making the chassis larger. Up front, you get two massive pre-installed 170mm fans sitting behind a ventilated front panel, which should deliver plenty of airflow right out of the box. The Lancool 207 XL is expected to arrive in Q4 2026 with a price tag of $109.99. Now, if you care more about looks, the Lancool 4 might grab your attention. Lian Li has replaced the traditional mesh front panel with a sleek, curved, tempered glass design that seamlessly blends into the side glass panels for a clean panoramic look. Behind that glass are three built-in 140mm RGB fans spinning up to 1,900 revolutions per minute. The case is also highly modular, allowing users to configure extra storage, add an optional 8.8-inch LCD display, or even modify the lower chamber to improve GPU cooling. The Lancool 4 is scheduled to launch in Q3 2026 for $129.99 and will be available in both black and white. And hey, if you love this kind of tech content, subscribe for more and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Moving over to the iconic O11 lineup, there are two new entries into the O11D case family. Starting with the O11D EVO RGB V2. This case keeps the modular design philosophy that made the O11 series so popular, but adds even more flexibility. One of the key upgrades is a dedicated side-mounted AIO chamber that helps separate intake and exhaust airflow while keeping the power supply isolated from the main hardware compartment. The case also features adjustable top fan and radiator mounting options, giving builders more freedom when planning their cooling setup. Like the Lancool 4, the O11D has an angled bottom airflow, designed to feed cool air directly to the GPU. The O11D RGB V2 is expected to launch in Q4 2026 for $169.99. Lian Li also showcased the O11 Vision-M Digital, which already launched on May 21, 2026 for $129.99. This compact dual-chamber micro ATX case supports up to 360mm radiators, graphics cards up to 410mm long, and large tower air coolers up to 162mm tall. It features three tempered glass panels for a premium showcase build, and even supports an optional 8.8-inch display. To help with cooling, Lian Li includes a pre-installed 140mm fan in the secondary chamber, making it a strong option for compact, high-performance systems. And finally, for workstation users and extreme builders, there's the massive V2000. This thing is an absolute monster. It supports eATX motherboards, dual power supplies up to 6 hard drives, and radiators as large as 420mm. Lian Li has also integrated a digital monitoring display with temperature readouts directly into the chassis. The mesh-heavy design focuses on airflow, while hidden wheels make moving this giant case surprisingly easy. There's even a built-in GPU support system to prevent sag on today's massive graphics cards. The V2000 launches in Q3 2026 with a price of $239.99. Overall, Lian Li seems to be covering every type of PC builder this year, whether you're focused on maximum airflow, showcase aesthetics, compact builds, or workstation-level performance. Which of these new cases would you choose for your next PC build? Let me know down in the comments.